Good morning. In this class, we are going to do some problems in differential equations. Differential equation with constant coefficients. Okay. Problem number 1. Solve d square minus 3d plus 2 is equal to 0. So actually this d is nothing but this d is equal to into y. This d is equal to d by dx. This d is equal to d by dx. Okay. So suppose right hand side may be a function of x. Maybe a function of x. Suppose right hand side is equal to 0. The general solution of this differential equation is equal to complementary function. Okay. Suppose right hand side is a function of x. We have to find the particular integral. The general solution is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. Complementary function plus particular integral. Okay, here the right hand side is equal to 0. So therefore we have to find the auxiliary equations. M square minus 3m plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so therefore we solve it. M plus 1, m minus 1 into m minus 2 is equal to 0. M minus 1 into m minus 2 is equal to 0. So therefore m is equal to 1 or m is equal to 2. There are two solutions. So the roots are real and distinct. The roots are real and distinct. The general solution y is equal to the general solution. This is nothing but complementary function. Complementary function is nothing but general solution. The y is equal to a into e power m1x plus b into e power m2x. b into e power m2x. So therefore this is equal to, so a into e power x plus b into e power 2x. b into e power 2x. So that's all. So this is the general solution of the given differential equation with constant coefficient. So question number 2 is solve d square minus 4d plus 4 into y is equal to 0 into y is equal to 0. The same thing, we are going to find out the auxiliary equations. We are going to find out the auxiliary equations. M squared minus 4m plus 4 is equal to 0. M square minus 4m plus 4 is equal to 0. Here this is nothing but m minus 2 the whole squared is equal to 0. So therefore the roots are m is equal to m minus 2 into m minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore m is equal to 2 twice. M is equal to 2 twice. Okay. So here the roots are real. The roots are real and equal. The roots are real and equal. The complementary function, that is the general solution, is equal to. Complementary function is nothing but as a general solution because of right hand side becomes 0. So therefore y is equal to a plus bx. This is constant. You may take c1 plus c2, c3 or a, b, c, d, whatever it may be, you can take it. A plus bx into e power mx. E power mx is 2x. Okay. So a plus bx into e power mx. This is the solution of this particular differential equation with constant coefficient. So here the roots are real and distinct. Here the roots are real and equal. Then the next sum will be the roots are imaginary. What will happen? Okay. So the third problem is solve. Third problem is solve 4d square minus 16d plus 25 into y is equal to 0. Into y is equal to 0. Okay. Here the auxiliary equation is four m square minus 16m plus 25 is equal to 0. Plus 25 is equal to 0. Okay. So we have to find the roots. So therefore m is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay. So here is minus b is, so this is a, this is b, this is c. So minus b is 16 plus or minus root of b square is 16 square minus 4ac 4 into 25, 4 into 25 divided by 2a is 8. So therefore again m is equal to 16 plus or minus 16 square is 256. So this is 100, 400 minus 400 divided by 8. Again this is equal to 16 plus or minus square root of 256 minus 400. So therefore this is minus 144 divided by 8. Again this is equal to 16 plus or minus square root of 144 into square root of minus 1 divided by 8. So this is equal to 16 plus or minus 12 into I, 12i divided by 8. So you have to take out 4. So 4 plus or minus 3i divided by 4 will be cancelled divided by 2. So therefore again m is equal to 4 by 2 plus or minus 3 by 2i. So here the roots are imaginary. So therefore I can write m is equal to alpha plus or minus I beta. So therefore the complementary function is equal to e power alpha x into a cos beta x plus b sin beta x. So this is the solution for the differential equation when the roots are imaginary. Okay. So therefore the complementary function y is equal to e power alpha x. So this is equal to alpha, this is equal to beta. So e power alpha x, e power 2x into a cos beta x is 3 by 2x plus b sin beta x is again 3 by 2x. So this is the solution. This is the solution for the given differential equation. Okay. Clear? So therefore problem number 4. The problem number 4 is solve d cube minus 6d square plus 11d, d cube minus 6d square plus 11d minus 6 into y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0. So here so far we have seen that differential equation with degree 2. Here the degree is 3. Okay. So therefore what we do, the same thing, we have to find the auxiliary equation. the auxiliary equation is m cube minus 6m square plus 11m minus 6 is equal to 0. So we have to solve it. First of all, you have to check it. Put m is equal to 1. 1 minus 6 plus 11 minus 6. Therefore, 12 minus 12 equal to 0. So therefore, this equation satisfies. So therefore, put m is equal to 0. This equation becomes what? 0. 1 minus 6 plus 11 minus 6 equal to 0. Therefore, m minus 1 is a factor. M minus 1 is a factor. Okay. So m minus 1 is a factor. Then we have to do it. 1 minus 6, 11 minus 6. So here is m is equal to 1. You put 0 here. So 1 minus 5. So here is minus 5 plus 6. Therefore plus 6. Therefore here is 0. So therefore m square minus 5m plus 6. This is equal to 0. So this is the method for finding the roots. Okay. So here m is equal to 2 and 3. Therefore m minus 2 into m minus 3 is equal to 0. So therefore the solutions are m minus 1 into m minus 2 into m minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. So therefore the roots are m is equal to 1, 2 and 3. Okay. So therefore the solutions y is equal to a into e power m1x plus b into e power m2x plus c into e power m3x. Now because all the roots are real and all are distinct. So therefore a into e power x plus b into e power 2x plus c into e power 3x. So this is the required solutions for the given differential equation. Problem number 5 is d cube minus 1 into y is equal to 0. Okay. This problem also we will solve it by using the same method. Find the auxiliary equation. M cube minus 1 is equal to 0. M cube minus 1 is equal to 0. So therefore, a cube minus b cube formula, a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Similarly, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So we use this formula. So here is m minus 1 into because a cube, 1 cube is equal to again 1. I can write 1 cube. So therefore m squared plus m into 1 m plus 1 squared. This is equal to 0. So therefore m is equal to 1 is the root. So there definitely the roots of this equation definitely be imaginary. Okay. So therefore I can find minus b plus or minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So this is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 3 into I divided by 2. So therefore minus 1 by 2 plus or minus root 3 by 2 into I. Root 3 by 2 into I. So therefore here there are 3 roots. m1 is equal to 1, m2 is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2i, m3 is equal to m2 and m3 is equal to minus 1 by 2 minus root 3 by 2 I. So these two roots are occurring pair. So therefore the complementary function y is equal to, first of all this root is real, so therefore I can take a into e power x plus, here the two roots are imaginary occurring pair, so therefore e power alpha x, alpha is equal to minus 1 by 2, therefore minus 1 by 2x into, already the constant a already we have taken that, so therefore b cos beta x, beta is minus root 3 by 2 x plus c sin beta x root 3 by 2 x. Okay, root 3 by 2 x. Cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. So therefore again I can write a into e power x plus e power minus x by 2 into b cos root 3 by 2x. Cos of minus x is equal to, cos of minus x is equal to cos x, sin of minus x is equal to minus sin x. So therefore here minus c times of sin root 3 by 2 x. So therefore this is the general solutions for the given differential equation. Okay. One more problem. The sixth problem is d power 4 minus 1 into y is equal to 0. This is also important. Okay. Here the auxiliary equation is m power 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. I can write m squared the whole square minus 1 square is equal to 0. A square minus b squared is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So therefore m square plus 1 into m square minus 1 is equal to 0. M square minus 1 is equal to 0. So here m square is equal, m square plus 1 is equal to 0, or m square minus 1 is equal to 0. So therefore here m square is equal to minus 1 or m square is equal to plus 1. Okay, so therefore here m is equal to plus or minus I. There are square root of minus 1 plus or minus I. So they are the same thing again, or m squared is equal to, m is equal to plus or minus 1. M is equal to plus or minus 1. Okay, so m is equal to plus 1 or m is equal to minus 1. So here the two roots are real and distinct. Here the two roots are imaginary. So therefore the complementary function is equal to, two roots are real and distinct. So therefore a into e power x plus b into e power minus x plus, here e power alpha x. Alpha is equal to what? 0. Because 0 plus or minus I. Alpha is equal to 0. Beta is equal to 1. Therefore m is equal to plus or minus I. Here alpha is equal to 0. Beta is equal to 1. Therefore e power 0x, e power alpha x into a cos beta x. Already a, b already involved. Therefore, c cos beta x is equal to beta x plus d sin beta x. D sin beta x. So therefore, this is equal to a into e power x plus b into e power minus x plus e power 0x is 1 plus c cos x plus b sin x. So this is the required solution for the given differential equation. Thank you.